Hello friends, welcome to Fusion and Style. Today we are going to see raw fig gravy for idli and dosa. I am taking raw fig from the fig tree which is in our garden. We can get 45 days once fig fruit. Just around 40th day we can take the raw fig and then we can prepare this gravy. We need 4 big tomatoes that will come around 250 gram and small onions that around 100 or 150 gram we can take. Add little oil in the pan. Let's add the fig. Now we have to roast the fig in oil for around 5 to 10 minutes in a high flame. We will be going to prepare a paste using this. Fig is very good for health, especially for ladies. See, the color turns from light green to dark green. So now fig is roasted very well. Raw fig is roasted very well. This is the correct time to switch off the stove. Let it cool for some time. In the same pan, add little more oil. We can use any oil, it's up to us, but gingerly oil is good for health. Add little mustard seed. And then little zira and curry leaf and then onion and garlic. Now let's add the cutted tomatoes into the pan. Let's add little turmeric powder. Now I am adding required amount of salt. Please try this recipe at home. It's very difficult to get the raw fig. But suppose you are getting a chance to get the raw fig, please try this recipe. Let's add required amount of chili powder. It's really very good for health. Please try it out and provide your comments. Now let's add a coriander powder. We can add around 4 to 5 spoons of coriander powder because this is gravy, no? So we should add a coriander powder a little more. Then only we can get the gravy consistency. Let's add little required amount of water. We need coconut for this gravy. Now let's grind the raw fig, roasted raw fig in a mixer grinder. It's grind like a paste. This is the consistency. Let's add the grinded fig. See how thick it is. So due to this thickness, we should not add direct raw coconut. We have to take a coconut milk and then we have to add that coconut milk into the gravy because the fig itself has a very good consistency, gravy consistency, that fig paste. So that's the reason we are going to add coconut milk instead of a direct coconut paste. Let's add required amount of water. Now I am going to prepare a coconut milk. For that I have taken a coconut along with that fennel seeds. This will give very amazing taste for gravy. Let's add the coconut milk into the gravy. This will go very well with idli and dosa. If you like this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's boil for some 5 to 10 minutes. You will get very good aroma. Let's switch off the stove. Gravy is ready. Bye bye friends.